go and look back to the year 2012, we will start a little bit with the traffic. Traffic, as you know, is our main value driver. And starting with that, we have a sheet of the CTO, which shows the stay-over visitors. It's on your presentation. You have it. Mind you that these are figures until October year-to-date 2012. Just yesterday, the final figures over 2012 have been published. And there it says that Aruba has a 4% growth in annual stay-over visitors. Obviously, that translates immediately into our traffic, and you'll see that in the numbers. We had a record number of passengers. You knew that already because we welcomed our 1 millionth passenger in December last year, so you should be aware of that. Eventually, the number ended in 1,043,000 and a couple of more visitors. That is an increase of 4.5%. And that is largely in line with the stay-over visitors. And so the total number of originating and departing passengers also grew and reached a new record, 2,120,000 in pico. Where did these passengers come from? This picture is not very surprising, to be honest. 60% came from North America, USA and Canada. And the second market is Latin America, which has been growing. And in the sheets you will find that information. The Latin American market has been growing with 15%. And we are very pleased with that development. One of the biggest growing markets is Canada. But in absolute terms, that is a relatively small market. So a percentage increase does not mean that there are enormous amounts of numbers. As to aircraft, we had an increase in total flight movements, approximately 7% to 41,500. And from that number, the commercial passenger flights, so that excludes general aviation mainly, plus 3.2%. And again, you see that passenger aircraft are the largest share, nearly commercial passenger aircraft, so everything which docks at the north side of the airport, is approximately 70%. But also general aviation with 27% has become a large share of our traffic. And general aviation has been growing in 2012. So nearly 20% in terms of movements. That's an indication that we're having a good product at the south side of our airport.